What is up, guys? In this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can link CJ dropshipping with eBay. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys the advantage of using CJ dropshipping, and what I like about CJ dropshipping is the shipping time. Compared to other e-commerce websites, there is nothing that can beat CJ dropshipping when it comes to the shipping time, because they offer like 7 days shipping from China. Okay, compared to AliExpress, it's going to take at least 15 days. Okay, also what I like about this dropshipping using CJ is this source and ship the product for you. Okay, so whenever someone places an order on your eBay store, they ship the product directly to the customer, so you don't have to do anything. They will upload the tracking number, they will do everything for you. Okay, now the first thing you need to do, guys, is you need to create an account on CJ dropshipping. Okay, after you create an account, register using Google or Facebook account. After that, you want to click on authorization in the top left, and you want to select here eBay. So after, guys, you select eBay, what you need to do, guys, next you want to click on add store, as you can see here. So after you click, guys, on add store, you want to click on where it says grant access at the bottom. You want to scroll down, because I have already linked this store to the CJ account. It took me directly to this page, and it says here authorization success. But for you, you will have to scroll down, and you wanna, like, eBay will ask you, guys, if you are going to give access to CJ dropshipping. Just say yes, confirm, and then you will take it will take you to this page. After it says here authorization success, then you have successfully linked CJ to eBay. Now you want to search for the product that you want to import to your eBay store. For example, I want to import makeup related products. I'm going to search for a random product here, for example this one. Click on it, and after you click on it, guys, you will find something called here list. Okay, after you click on list, what you need to do, guys, next is here you will find your eBay username, and here it says here listing site. You want to select USA, and this is the shipping time from 8 to 14 days. This is the shipping cost. After you find the product that you want to dropship on your eBay store, then you can find it, like I said, and then you want to add here your price. This is the total dropshipping cost, so like I said, guys, after you click on list now, here it says here dropshipping cost. So what you need to do, guys, now is you want to add here the price that you are going to sell this item for on eBay. So for example, if you are going to sell this for $16, and the total dropshipping cost here is $8, so each time you sell this item, like I said, CJ dropshipping will take $8 of the sale. Okay, and you are going to be left with around $8. But keep in mind that eBay charges, guys, charges like 13% of the sale, so you are going to be left with around like $6. Okay, and here you want to enter here like, as you can see, these items have this item has 3 different variations, 3 different colors. So each one you have to enter the same price, as you can see, $60, $16, and here you want to add here the listing quantity. As you can see, you want to add here 1 or 2, and 2 here, 2 here, and then click list now. Okay, after you click, guys, on list now, this product will be imported to your eBay store. But make sure you have linked your Pioneer account to eBay, and you have your credit card on eBay, so that this product will be imported to your eBay store. See you guys next video. Have a good day. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.